Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, today we have a beginner to intermediate lesson, or if you are an advanced student, this could be useful for review. We are talking about can, but, can with adverbs. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, adverbs with can. Let's begin. Can is a modal verb. We use can to talk about abilities. What are abilities? Abilities are skills or actions that are possible for you to do. You are able to do them. Use can plus verb to talk about abilities. For example, I can speak English. I have this ability. I am able to speak English. I can swim. Some people can't swim. They don't know how. I can swim. I do know how. My friend Jose can do a backflip. He's pretty good. Hey, Jose. My brother can't speak German. He does not have this ability. He can speak English. He can't speak German. However, my brother, he can speak Spanish. Watch my other videos about can here. I have a playlist. Can for abilities and can for possibilities. Watch those videos here. Now let's talk about how to use adverbs with can. What are adverbs? Adverbs describe verbs. Adverbs give information about how someone does something, and doing something is a verb. To form most adverbs, we add ly to the end of an adjective. So on the left of the screen, you can see 4 adjectives: quick, loud, slow, dangerous. We make adverbs by adding ly to the end of the adjective. Quickly, loudly, slowly, dangerously. Pretty easy, right? So, I can speak slowly. Notice the adverb changes the verb. It makes the verb different. I can speak slowly. I can speak quickly. So the second example, I can speak quickly. I can speak quietly. I can speak loudly. If the adjective ends in y, we form the adverb with ILY. So 4 adjectives that end in y: easy, happy, noisy, merry. It's Christmas time, so I am feeling merry. Maybe it's the eggnog and sugar. To form the adverb, we add ILY: easily, happily, noisily, merrily. My friend Jose can do a backflip easily. It's no problem. Some adverbs are irregular. This means the word changes completely. Good, fast, daily, late. Well, fast, daily, late. Sometimes the word changes completely. Sometimes it stays the same. The adjective and the adverb are the same. So fast, daily, late, there is no change. Good changes to well. We don't say, I speak English good. No, we say, I speak English well. I can swim fast. My brother can speak Spanish well. He is fluent en español. On the weekend, I can wake up late because I don't have to work. Okay, guys. Quick lesson today, hopefully a simple lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you learned something. And hey, if you have watched this far, you might as well subscribe to my channel. It helps my small channel grow and reach new English learners all around the world. So I thank you. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Let me know your comments and questions and suggestions for future videos. I always like to read your comments. Okay, until next time, bye.